Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of thechartguys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everybody, so here is the gold dump. The signal was losing the 50-day moving average support yesterday and seeing that follow through to the downside. So now we're watching 1228 support, and then if that's lost, I'm looking down at 1210 key support. And if that's lost, we're looking at $1,200 psychological level. I am anticipating a short-term bounce after 5 days of red. I sold my dust today that I said in my last video I was swinging overnight, and I will be looking for a re-entry after some short-term upside in gold, and we could see that overnight and into the morning. I'm looking at 1244 as a resistance on any kind of bounce, but regardless, I think gold is due for some short-term upside after such a steep pullback over the last 5 days. Resistance is going to be back up at that 1245 level where we had some lower wicks bouncing off of, and looking at the hourly chart here, the resistance I'm seeing at 1244. We can see previously support, we bounced above 1244, and then it acted as resistance after it was lost. So 1244 is the level sticking out in my mind, but no two green candlesticks in a row since this dump, which has taken place over a couple dozen hours. So looking for some short-term upside, as I said, and another bearish entry opportunity, or it would be bullish if you're looking to get in dust and wanting it to go up, but that is a bearish gold miners play. Weekly time frame losing the 10-week moving average support. A month of red in a row has us on the verge of breaking to a bearish MACD cross, and we can see that very key support of 1206. If that is lost, it's a very significant blow to the bulls. But as of right now, the higher lows are still intact on this uptrend. Even if we dropped all the way to 1210 and found support, that would still be a higher low. So the overall trend still intact. Short-term trend certainly belonging to the bears. I'm really liking the setup on the dust daily and weekly chart, as I pointed out yesterday. Big time bullish move today for dust. Higher low established, higher high now, and looking to change this trend and reverse it. We need to keep an eye on the upper Bollinger Band resistance, as it would take a full-out dump in gold to see a breakout above that upper Bollinger Band. And because of how much downside we have already seen, I don't foresee that happening. Weekly chart for dust shows that support being established. And a high volume week again. Last week was huge volume at 105 million, and after 2 days we're at 45 million. So we are likely going to see huge volume again with a bullish MACD cross, and this is support being established and a potential change in the trend. If we can get over the 10-week resistance, that's going to be a significant development as well. So watching dust over the next couple of weeks for a swing trade play and for potential trend reversal, at least in the short term. So that's what we're looking at on gold heading into tomorrow. If you haven't given the free trial a shot yet, we're covering gold all day. Live on webcam, I'm live 2.5 hours each day. If you find these 3-minute videos helpful, imagine what 2.5 hours each day would do. We also have wonderful members in the chat room, lots of which are watching gold and the gold mining plays, and we are all on the same team, and we'd like to welcome you to that team, so come check out the free trial. Have a great night. Thanks for watching. The Chart Guys community has compiled trader tips from dozens of traders over the last year and put together a free ebook you can access by clicking the button and entering your email. Have a wonderful night.